Not the most useful thing in the world. It just keeps overwriting the H1, right? Got all these spells, but only one of them is ever on the page at a time. So we've got my telepathy. I've got my magic missile. I'm trying to make a spell book here. You don't just keep changing the title page, right? We got to do something about this. Let's make this a little more useful. Let's instead, I kind of want spellbook to stay at the top. So let's make someplace else for this stuff to go. Underneath the form, I'm going to make a div. I'll give this div an ID of spells. Check this out. With my emit expansions, I can just say hash spells, div ID spells. Saves so much typing. Life is good. So now I've got this div. Let's put them in there instead of in the H1. Easy enough. Just change H1 to hash spells. That ought to do it, right? Refresh the page. How about mimic? There we go. Cool. How about sleep? Gosh darn it. It erased it. What can I do? What can I change? I'm stuck. It's all up to you. Add a new div with each one? I could. But suppose I don't want to. I could do that too. And we will. But not yet. That's too fancy. Might explode my fragile little mind. So suppose it's okay being all smashed together in one div. I just don't want it to erase what's already there. I want it to append, not replace. Yes, sir.
Could you do like a plus equals instead of just an equals?
Could I do a plus equals instead of an equals? Anybody not familiar with that operator from other languages? Plus equal? What's a fancy name for that? I don't mean the operator. I mean with strings. When you smash two strings together. Concatenation, right? Yeah. So plus equal? How about that? Seems legit. For those not familiar, that would be the same thing as saying text content equals all that stuff dot text content plus. So its current value plus this stuff. So plus equal. Aw, I was going to watch it not do that and then complain about it. That's okay. So plus equal string with the single space in it, right? Then plus spell name. Yep. So let's try it. What do we got? How about polymorph? Reminds me of object-oriented programming. Polymorphism. All right, summon monster. Cool. Fireball. Whoops. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I type mimic. Cool. Next, I want to say fireball. Gosh dang it. Mimic's still in there. Why would I want that to still be in there? Usability fail. That's all right. One thing at a time. And we did make a thing happen, didn't we? So we should probably, this feels like progress. Maybe we make this a commit. Right now, all our changes are in our working directory, right? We want them in our repository, so we add them. Git add dot. Now, they're in the repository, but we haven't made a checkpoint there. We haven't given it a label yet. So let's commit, make it permanent. What did we do? This, This commit will add multiple spells to a div.